Hey everybody, today we're at Green Planet Grocery. It's been a while since I've been here, but we're going to go inside and see what kind of vegan things we can find. First things first, we have a nice selection of produce. And here we have these Quinn pretzel bites. These are kind of like combos, if you remember combos. I actually really like these. They also have a pizza one right here that I like. Just make sure you read the ingredients because they do have a couple flavors that are not vegan. Vegan Rob's, obviously. Everything that Rob makes is vegan. And over here we have Outstanding plant-based. These are also pretty good. Several different flavors. Unreal. Now these, when you want M&Ms, this is what you get. Unreal. It's got vegan down there in the corner. Be careful because not all of their stuff is vegan. But they do have a good selection. Thumbs up. This is like a Butterfinger. We got the Twofer, the Buccaneer, the Mahalo. These are not new, but they're there. And the major one, I haven't had this one. This is like a toffee. I'm not a huge fan of toffee, but I'm willing to give it a try. I have had this Mahalo a long time ago, and the Snap Bars, and these are peanut butter cups. They're not my favorite, by the way, but they have them. I believe the Snap Bar is kind of like a vegan Nestle Crunch. Here we have Justin's. The dark chocolate are vegan. More Unreal. The peanut butter cups, really good. They've got a couple different kinds. And here's some more of their M&Ms. I've only seen those mini bags right here. Vago gummy bears, Vago bears. And some more fruit snacks that are vegan. And Cosmic Carrot Chews. I've never seen these before. They have orange mango moonbeam and the sour cherry berry blast off. Those are $3.99. And then Love Corn. I've tried all of these flavors. I've seen these before at Target. Bobo's strawberry and grape. They're kind of like Pop-Tarty things. They're really good. And as far as I know, all of Bobo's are vegan. Here are a few different flavors of cookies by Siete. Grain-free cookies. And they also have all your flours, gluten-free flours, egg replacer, everything you can need when it comes to cooking, baking. And they have a whole variety of different vegan milks, Oatly, Elmhurst, as you can see, Milkadamia, Almond Breeze. They've got it all here. And they do have a big variety of different protein powders that are vegan. They've got a whole line of Sun Warrior and this Truvani. I've never tried this brand. Sun Warrior has the active creatine, vegan creatine, different flavors. Personally, I really like Sun Warrior. Also have Garden of Life. Bunch of different flavors here. Oat milk powder. I haven't tried that one yet. And they make their own peanut butters, nut butters. Here's a whole other end cap of the Truvani. And the refrigerated section, they've got a ton of different vegan mayos, different dressings. They've got this local Susie Seitan straight out of Ithaca. They got the Pumfu Tofu, Tofurkey products. And they got some Hodo soy. And over here, Bitchin' sauce. And I cannot find this anywhere else other than Green Planet. So when I want my fix of bitchin' sauce, this is where I come. And they have several different flavors here. Throughout the years, I've seen it at Walmart and also at Target and Costco, but I haven't seen it in a while. They got your vegan butters. This one right here, I've never seen this one. Cadia Organic Vegan Buttery Spread. I really like that products say vegan right on them. And your tofutti, this is by far my favorite cream cheese. And this is the herbs and chives. You don't see that one too often anymore. I know they also used to have a strawberry one. They probably still do somewhere. They got Miyoko's and Kite Hill. They got the butter and the sour cream, Kite Hill and Tofutti. Now I haven't tried this one, Nuts for Cheese. They have artichoke and herb. This is organic, dairy-free fermented cheese. And maybe sometime I'll give it a try, but I didn't pick it up this time. Black garlic. It says vegan right on the package, which is cool. Super blue. And they have the chipotle cheddar and the brie. Unbelievable. Of course, Miyoko's one of my favorites, the mozzarella and the liquid mozzarella. She's got some of these sharp cheeses. These have been around for a while. Violife has really good cheese as well. So they got you covered. They got a bunch of products here if you're looking for your vegan cheeses, no matter if it's shreds or, you know, mozzarella for your pizza, liquid. They even got your Dea slices. And they also have some yogurt. Forager, probiotic cashew milk yogurt, Kite Hill, Greek style yogurt. Lots of protein. And then we have the Cocoa June, which I don't believe I've had that one, and the Harmless Harvest. Califia Farm, this is their holiday nogs, and we've got oat milk, Oatly. Here's some more of the nogs, peppermint mocha, and they got some nuts and different things there. Over here we have some Alfredo sauce, non-dairy. There's the ingredients. It says vegan right on it. These are pretty pricey though. So if you got the money, you don't feel like making your own, there you go. Mary's, the Cheez-Its kind of things. And we have Dea, different Dea mac and cheeses. We got Annie's. And we have Oatly ice cream. Now this one right over here, I have not tried the banana split. I've tried all the other ones, but I have not tried that one. And that one caught my eye. I used to see Nadamu at my local Wegmans. I don't see it anymore, so this is like the only place I've seen it. I got some Craig's. Some Nadamu, kind of like a mochi. I think I tried that at one of the expos I went to. Chloe's. These fruit pops are really good. And of course, we got the Tofutti Cuties. And normally you only see the vanilla, but they also have the mint chocolate chip here. They have got the chocolate. And not featured here, I've also seen the Neapolitan, but I haven't seen those in years and years. They also have these Oatly ice cream bars. And the Dea cheesecakes. These are actually pretty good, the pumpkin spice. And they got a ton of different Gardein and different vegan meats here. We've got the benevolent bacon. We've got the just egg little patties. And these Mikey's meaty marinara pockets. I have not seen these before. But here are the ingredients. They seem to be vegan to me. They say they're plant-based. I like to see that vegan symbol on there. The Dea flatbread pizzas and the Dea pizzas. We got the flatbread vegan harvest. And one of my favorites, the Amy's vegan margarita pizza. Unfortunately, they don't have the blackbird pizzas here. And here's the roast. It's that time of year. They've got a variety of different roasts. We've got the hazelnut cranberry by Field Roast and the celebration roast. We also have the little mini field roast, sage and garlic. And we have a ton of different tofurkey. We got the ham roast. I know I've seen a lot of people posting about where to find different roast. I know that they have them. I've seen them in a few different other stores too. You got your tofurkey, the big package, and you've got the mini as well. And this is a local PMA food, so I actually know the guy that makes this. He's got several different cheeses here. He's actually got a place in the city where he makes all of this himself. He's got macaroni and cheese, and all of his products are vegan. We got the feta style, the goat cheese style, and the tattooed chef. We got some vegan options here. And this Eat Meaty classic steaks. These are mushroom based. I've never tried these, and I've only seen them here at Green Planet. Some more of that tattooed chef. They got a lot of variety of different things, but just make sure they're vegan, because they do have vegetarian, non-vegan stuff as well. Here's some more of the Eat Meaty. They got the classic cutlets, carne asada steaks. They all sound good, but they are mushroom based. And it does say if you're allergic to mushrooms or mold, stay away from them right there. I don't know if I would try those. But if anybody has tried these, let me know in the comments what you think about them. Always like to know your thoughts. Okay, these Cool Beans also have these little mini burritos. And we have a bunch of products by Hillary's. We have a whole variety of different burgers. And then like little baggies of mini little patties here. Beyond has a bunch of products here. Their steaks, their popcorn chicken, chicken tenders, crumbles, their classic burgers, the big box, the little box, and their sausages. And we have some, this is the Very Good Butchers. Haven't seen that in any of the stores, but we got the field roast sausages and the Jack and Annie's. I've tried all of them except for these buffalo wings. They are all really, really good. Really good. And then we have the field roast dogs, plant-based chicken tikka masala. Says vegan right there on the side. I love that. And we have a couple other flavors. The plant-based chicken vindaloo. And the last one that they have that's vegan here is the coconut chicken korma. These all look delicious. And some more of that ultimate chicken. Chicken fillets, the barbecue chicken. They are a little pricey, but they're also delicious. All of the Gardein products are vegan, and these guys have a variety of different ones that you don't find at most stores, including this Chipotle lime flavored chicken tenders. I love those. And they also have the Nashville hot chicken tenders. You don't see those anywhere. So they've got the biggest variety of Gardein of any place around here, at least. Personally, I love these turkey cutlets, and they're on sale right there. Holy Veggie has some good products. And these Light Life chicken tenders. These look delicious. I don't remember what they taste like, but I think I may have tried them at one of the expos. Jinka is a vegan seafood company, and they have these different varieties of tuna. I have not tried them. I'm not really a big fan of seafood, but they also have the calamari, plant-based, bag of these, and let's check out what's inside. No squid were harmed in the making. And here is the ingredient list. Okay, and they have crab poppers. So if you were a fan of seafood, you might like these. There's the pricing on those, around $8. And most of these refrigerators are filled with vegan stuff. They have a lot of vegan stuff at this store. Yum Earth has their holiday candies out, the gummy fruits and the candy canes. We got Dandy's marshmallows. Just in time for the holidays. Oh, and I almost missed this. Abe's vegan layer cake. All of Abe's stuff is delicious. They have it right here. This is a heavy cake. I just had to show that one. $20. And this is a fairly local bread, Heidelberg. And I actually really like it. I like that French peasant. Peanut butter cups. And some more of this cheese sauce. And he's also got a little shaker for adding it to your tofu scramble. And Syracuse Salt Co. It's the Salt City, Syracuse, New York. And these donuts, now this brings back a memory from like 20 plus years ago of buying these little donuts, and they were delicious, but I did not get one. Maybe next time. Vegan chocolates from Lake Champlain. We got some snack bites, crunchy quinoa and peppermint from the same company. Says vegan right at the top. We got some of these cookies, vegan snickerdoodle. These look delicious. Especially this one, the vegan cookies and cream. Yum. And there you have it, Green Planet Grocery, Fairmount, New York, in the Syracuse area. If you're ever in town, stop on by. Tell them I sent you. Make sure you subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you next time.